Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. Today I'm going to show you how to create a static homepage in your WordPress website. At times you can develop your website and instead of displaying the homepage, it's displaying the post page. So this is a must-watch video for you because I'm going to show you a simple way on how to set a static page. So what you're going to do after this tutorial, you'll have something like this. So for you to have something like this, from this to this, what you're going to do, it is just simple. What you do, you just go to your admin panel. You have to first of all log into your admin panel. So when you log into your admin panel, you're going to have this top header. So I'm going to click on customize. When you click on customize, it's going to load this new interface. So it is loading my interface. So right now, this is how my homepage is looking. It is not that appealing. So here, what you do is scroll down and then you come on this section where there is homepage settings. So I'm going to click on it, and your homepage settings right now, it is displaying your latest posts. So these are my posts. I haven't posted anything, that's why I'm having only one post. So if I want to set it to a static page, I'm going to select my second option. So you choose what's displayed on your homepage. So I'm going to choose this static page. Then when you choose static page, you have to select, you want a home page, do you want a check or a shop to appear on your home page? So I want a home page. I'm going to select home. Then I'm going to click on publish. When I click on publish, as you're seeing, and I try to reload my website, remember it's on localhost, that's why you're seeing localhost. So wow, it's now you're looking amazing. It's loading my home page. So guys, that's how you're able to set a home page in your WordPress.